Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS sharing community. And how are you today? You good? I hope so. And yeah, today we're gonna talk about 100, well not 100. Today we just talk about 20 synonyms for IELTS listening test. Okay, and part 1. And I want to make this series of videos about 100 phrases and their synonyms, which gonna help you improve your math score in IELTS listening test. Okay, so don't forget to like and share this video to support us. And yeah, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more lessons. Okay, we also upload videos about reading and listening skills, so don't forget to follow us as well. Okay, and if you have free time, please visit our website, and I'm gonna put the link below. Okay, now let's get started. You know, in IELTS listening test, in the recording, and they say and they're gonna paraphrase and stuff like that in the test, in the question. So if you don't know the way they paraphrase, that you don't know the synonyms or stuff like that, so it's so difficult for you to do the test and achieve high math score. Okay, and this is kind of summarized that I make, and that gonna help you a lot to do some revision every single day. Okay, now let's get started. Alright, so the first one is like rode in and out of the water, have the same meaning with on the banks and throughout the water. Okay, so in IELTS listening test, you know, in the recording, they're gonna say like in and out of the water, but in the answer sheet, not the answer sheet, the question sheet, they're gonna say like on the banks and throughout the water. So if you not really know about how they paraphrase stuff, and if you don't know the synonym, so you're gonna struggle with this stuff so much. Okay, number 2, something has a similar theory to mine. Something so similarities to my theory. So you see, this is this is adjective, and this is a noun. It is a noun phrase. Okay, similar theory, and this is the similarities to my theory, and this is the adjective. Okay, and this is a noun. Okay, the next one, ideas for distribution of the film. Make quite a few suggestions for distribution of the film. Distribution is like the way you let the people know about the film. It's kind of marketing and stuff like that. You know, the idea, okay, and then here to make a few suggestions. Okay, just have a we can call this is the synonym. Okay. Number 4, a convincing title and a compelling title is, you know, is their synonyms, have the same meaning, you know, like it's kind of persuadable title in of an article or a song or stuff like that, or an essay. Okay. Number 5, a gut reaction, have the same meaning with an emotional response. So we say reaction and response have the same meaning, an emotional and a gut. Okay. The next one, number 6, a peaceful spot and a quiet place. A place, spot is kind of, you can say it's a small route, or it's can be a place, a location, okay, something like that. And a quiet is something peaceful. It's okay, quiet and peaceful. Number 7, a professional filmmaker. The maker is somebody. It's kind of human. Okay, and then someone. Okay, who works for one of the big movie companies. So a person or someone who works for one of the big movie companies can be called a professional filmmaker. Okay, very good. So we move to the next one. Number 8, a wide variety or huge range. Okay, so sorry. A wide variety and a huge range. Okay, it's like a lot different kind of stuff. Number 9, a wider customer base. Have the same meaning with the customer base grows wider. Okay. The next one, abundant. This is an adjective. Okay, have the same meaning with ample. It's talk about something like enough and usually extra or plentiful, or some people quite rich and stuff like that. Okay. Number 11, we have advice from friends. Talk it through with my mates. Mates and friends is talking about somebody who has the same age with you, or your friend, your classmate, or your colleagues who has a close relationship with you. We can say mates. Okay. And advice is to talk about something. Okay. You got it? Okay, cool. Number 12. Amaze somebody. This meaning with surprise somebody. Okay? Surprise somebody or amaze somebody. 13. Ancient. Ancient. Archaic. Archaic, like extremely old, very, very old, and extremely old-fashioned. Okay, we can use it to describe something like a house, a city, or stuff like that. Okay, or talk about some objects, clothes or stuff is still okay. So ancient and archaic. So it's like Asian and archaic, not archaic, okay, archaic, something very, very old. Number 14, arid arid regions, like deserts. Deserts is like the place or a location. No, not location. It's kind of area where it's really hot and dry. Okay, so we have arid regions. Okay, the next one, 15. Be different. Be different. As something has changed. Change something and then make different. Make different. Okay. Number 16. Be economical. It means that you save your money. That gonna save you money. Like economical. Okay. The next one, be reliant on something. Reliant on something, that means depend on something. Okay, depend on something. Like young people or the children depend on their parents. Okay, can say be reliant on their parents is still okay. Okay. The next one, number 18. So you can see be risk at, threatened. really, really dangerous. Okay. 19. Be wary. Be wary. Wary means be cautious. Caution is, yeah, some places quite dangerous. And to let you know that that area is really dangerous or not safe, you need to be careful, stuff like that. And the last one for today is like become outdated. Like outdated, it means really old. Yeah, quite old, not trendy anymore. Not trendy. Yeah, trendy, Then like over 10 years old or not good enough now. It's just like not no longer good or trendy. Yeah. So that's all about the synonyms for today. Phrases and their synonyms. Okay, and I'm gonna make a series of video which have 100 phrases and their synonyms. Okay, and this is the part 1, the first video. And don't forget to like and share this video, okay, for upcoming lessons. And well, I hope you really like this video. And if you have any question or you need any help and stuff like that, just comment below to let us know, okay? And don't forget to visit our website here, sharingcommunity.com. And we're gonna upload this file on this website for you guys, okay? And see you in the next video, okay? And bye.